Alright, welcome back to my Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be directing my lovely viewers and my hoary subscribers on how to set up Hiba Net VPN application on your Android device. So don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend as we learn how to set up this application. Just note that even if you have never set it up in a VPN application, this tutorial is beginner friendly. You will also learn how to set up these applications on your own. So let us go to our first step, which is opening Google Play Store. And then once you open Google Play Store, you're going to search this application I was talking about, that Hiba Net VPN, that one. And take note of that app icon, take note of that app name, and take note of the company or the developers that develop this application. So install, download, and then install this application. And then after installing it, open the VPN application. After opening the VPN application, accept all permissions that will be requested to you by this application. And then after accepting the permissions, then let me continue to this one, config notes version, that one. Welcome back, check OK, and then join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates if you're going to be using this application. So this tutorial is for research, demonstrational, informational purposes only. Users are requested to follow the internet service providers terms and conditions, community guidelines, and the local laws. So you're going to come right here where you have updates right there to update the servers, to keep up with the updated servers. After updating the servers, we're going to be seeing a message that will be appearing right here that no update, sorry, there is no update available. That means now this application is up to date. Now check OK, and then after we're going to come where you have auto select server, and then we're going to choose any of those servers, but provided it is near to your country's location. But I recommend my lovely subscribers and the holy viewers to keep up with the auto select server, that one. Then you're going to come right here where you have Wi-Fi and data. You're going to come where you have all networks, and then you're going to go where you search from right there, and then type in your country's name and network. Alternatively, we can connect to this one, the all country UDP mode, provided that your country supports UDP. Then after, we are going to come where I have this connect button. These are the tips and troubleshooting techniques. If it fails to connect, put on airplane mode on and then off, and then you can also restart the application, clear the app data, and then you can also delete all the apps in the recents, in your recent. And then you can also enable the mobile data if it is off. Those are the only tips and techniques. Then let me click the connect, and then by doing that, this application has connected successfully to a fast, a stable, and a secure internet access. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video. If you get any problem, make sure you comment. The comment section is open. We have a WhatsApp group, you can check our about section. We have our backup channel, Bazilla Data. Check up with the about section to get those links for the WhatsApp group and the Bazilla Data. I sign out.